Guys, this is a video on thiamine. Thiamine, which is vitamin B complex, the B1 complex. It is a very important question. So we look after the coenzyme of thiamine. The coenzyme of thiamine is thiamine triphosphate. The normal RDA level of thiamine is 1 to 1.5 mg per day. Lactation, it is increasing because even the fetus also should get the thiamine. So 2 mg per day. In male, it is average of 1 to 1.6 mg per day, and in female, it is 0.9 to 1.2 mg per day. So this is about the RDA value. We look after the sources of the thiamine, that is thiamine B1. Aleuron layer, which is present in the seeds and cereals, which is very rich in thiamine. Dried yeast, wheat, flour, oats, legumes, vegetables, fruits, meat, mutton, chicken, beef, milk, fish, egg, etc. All these are a very good source of thiamine. Further, moving on to the biochemical function, the first property includes the oxidative decarboxylation of the alpha keto acids. The alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex is the enzyme which helps for the conversion of alpha ketoglutarate into succinyl coenzyme A plus CO2. This reaction takes place in the presence of enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase enzyme, and also some factors influence like TPP, NAD, FAD and COASH. This reaction is same with the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. The second function is trans-ketolase reaction. In the trans-ketolase reaction, the TPP acts on the coenzyme in hexose monophosphate shunt pathway. So this pathway is also called as the HMP pathway of glucose. The main role in the trans-ketolase reaction you can see in the carbohydrate metabolism. So in carbs it is most common. The third function includes the TPP is also used for transmission of the nerve impulse. It is also used in the transmission of the nerve impulse. Deficiency of the B1, that is thiamine. What happens in the deficiency of thiamine? This is a very important 3-mark question. So this is frequently asked in examination. So deficiency usually causes beriberi. So in the beriberi disease, there is 3 main types. That is dry beriberi, wet beriberi as well as the infantile beriberi. So we look after these 3 types of beriberi in detail. So the first one is the dry beriberi. In this you can see there is CNS manifestation. So CNS manifestation, that is, it affects the central nervous system. What happens here? The walking becomes difficult. Peripheral neuritis. You can see there will be peripheral neuritis with some burning sensation in your legs and feet, and there will be complete paralysis of your feet. The third one is loss of appetite. You won't feel hungry at times, muscle wasting, loss of body weight, and there will be no edema. So the second type of beriberi includes the serious manifestation which mainly affects your cardiovascular system, the heart. You can see there is edema of your legs, face, trunk and serous cavity. There is also the enlargement of your heart. You can see there will be palpation, tachycardia, and death occurs due to heart failure. In severe condition, as it is affecting the heart, you can see death may occur. The third type of beriberi includes the infantile beriberi, which is usually seen in 2 to 5 year kids. It mainly occurs due to thiamine deficiency in mother. Since there is deficiency of thiamine in the mother, you can see the thiamine deficiency also occurs in the fetus. How can it occur? It is mainly due to the mother's milk. Mother's milk is the only source of food for infant, and therefore when the milk concentration decreases, the thiamine concentration increases. When there will be decrease in the milk concentration, obviously thiamine concentration also decreases. Some of the symptoms include the restlessness, sleeplessness, vomiting, a loud piercing cry, changes into thin cry, almost weak and inaudible cry. You can also see cyanosis, that is bluish discoloration of the skin and mucous membrane. You can also see dyspnea, shortness of the breath, tachycardia, and increase in the heart attack. There will be more heart attack cases. So that's it about the vitamin B1, that is thiamine. Hope you have understood this video. Please do comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.